Hey, it's Bruce from the Journey Coach. I'm here with Jamie from GE Kitchens. We've had a big day today. We've talked about comparisons from this time last year to this time this year. So what was the time frame? July, August, September. So 3 months?
3 months, yeah.
And we've improved the efficiencies in your factory pretty dramatically.
Yep.
And the result has been, how have we seen your net profit sort of improve? We went from like 9% this time last year to, what was the number?
17.
17%
Yeah.
improvement in net profit. Primarily, we think because
Flow?
work going through. Exactly. You happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Beautiful. You heard it here first. Jamie at GE Kitchens is happy. Bruce from the Journey Coach, peace out.